I'm Dustin Brewer, and I will be talking today about my EDU 580 final project 2.0 tools and apps. First, we're going to start off with Canvas as a tool I use in my classrooms right now. Uh, as you can see, once you get logged on here is my health class that I am using currently. Up here is my name, my inbox if I have any messages, settings, and all that. If I go here, I can click on course and groups, so I have different classes set up in here. Um, as you can see, I've done a few different classes, health classes here, my lifetime sports class, and this is a class that I actually took on here on Canvas, and all those are available for me to click on and see. I just want to talk real quickly about how Canvas is easy to use. I'm going to go through some of these. Pretty much I started uploading this class last year, and once I got everything uploaded on the class, I just transferred it over from my last year's stuff to this year, which makes it very convenient and very nice. So once I did that, and once the class, you're just starting a class, at the bottom it'll have all the steps to do, which makes it nice, which is uploading your information, adding new people to the class, adding students to the class, and setting dates and stuff like that. So we're just going to go to start, which is modules, and that's your content for the class. As you can see here, my unit 1 is the introduction, and I just give a little tutorial video here, and then they have to respond to a discussion introduction and a welcome and introduction. This is my final there that I've posted. Unit 2 is our chapter 1, is kind of where we started getting into the book and the actual health class here. I have a PowerPoint posted, and then this is assignment for them. I'll go ahead and click on that, vocab and summary. So on here it says use the PowerPoint, and then define the key terms in the PowerPoint, and also write a little summary. And so usually what they'll do is they'll get on Word, and they will do that assignment, and then up at the right hand corner it'll have a turn in the assignment button, and they turn it in and they can submit it through there. So that's the modules for this class. So you can see there's quite a few as it goes through, but it's pretty nice to go from year to year. I can change a couple little things, but overall my content just transfers over. I don't have to redo it all again. I can just move it from one spot to the next. Grades makes it really simple to grade. As soon as the class pulls up here, I have everybody in my class here. These are the assignments, and I can just go through, click on the assignment here, click on it, grade it, and then it's in there. And then at the very end it shows what grade they have and what their overall grade is. So it makes it very easy to use and grade, and makes it great for online classes. I've done an online class on here too, and it's really simple. Maybe one of the downfalls of this is if they don't have internet at home. That could be something that's tough, but usually we do a lot of work in class, and so with the one-to-one, they all have computers and they can get this done. Another thing that I'm facing right now, maybe an issue, is even though one-to-one, some of them still don't have their computers as we're starting out here, and so they're kind of falling behind a little bit, and I have to give them hard copies of stuff, which makes it a little bit more difficult. But I would say overall this is a really, really good tool to use. The second one I'm going to go to is Google Docs here. This is just my profile. I click up here, I can go to any of these, my Gmail, and I'm going to click on Drive, Google Drive here. Google Drive is really awesome because you can create documents. So I can create documents, and these are kind of like the old-fashioned like Word and presentation, anything like that, spreadsheet form. All this stuff I can create on Google Docs, and as I'm going through it, it's really nice because I can click on here, I can type whatever I want, it saves it every 20 seconds. You can see that all saved in Drive right there. So if for some reason the computer shuts down, it doesn't matter, it's going to save it. I can click it right back up. Also, I don't have to save it to a certain spot. It's saved to Google, so I can access it from anywhere. Um, if I'm at home, I can jump on Google and it's going to be there. It's not like saved on my computer, or it's not saved to a certain spot that only the school internet has access to, which makes it really nice. Um, so that's one of the benefits of Google. Let's go up here. Also, another great thing is I can share it with somebody. So if I want to share it, skip that. There it is right there. I can share it. I can add people to whoever I want to share it with, invite people, and then I can share it and collaborate with anybody as far as that tool is concerned. Okay, so I can do that with any of my documents. I can create folders so I can add stuff to it, which makes it really nice. And these are just some of the things that I've done so far, and some of the things that have been shared with me is right there. So maybe the downfall for Google would only be another. I mean, kind of the same as Canvas. If you don't have internet, that's going to be a huge problem, and it. I would say that's probably about it. And once again, that's mostly probably done in class, so it's probably not that big of a deal. My last one is Remind 101. I think this is a really good app to use. Just started using this recently for I just actually just got signed up. So as you can see, it says add my first class. I'm just going to put wrestling in here because it's something that I'm going to use it for. And then it takes me to this, and here's the number. All the students do is they text this message to this number, and then they're added to a list, and all I have to do is get on here and I can type out a message and it's going to send it out to all of them, which makes it really nice. I would say the one downfall of this is they cannot respond to the messages. They can't really interact. The only way they can respond is if they were to call me or text me my personal number. But that does not give them my personal number. This does not. This is just a number it texts from. So I say that was one downfall is they can't respond right away to me unless they have my personal number. But it's really good to get the word out. Thank you.